Hello children, let's learn some colors. Forest green color, yellow color, pink color, light green color, black color. Let's draw some shapes. Black color, heart, trapezium, hexagon, star. Semicircle, oval, pink color, heart, black color, trapezium, blue color, hexagon, yellow color, star, light green color, semicircle, red color, oval, pink color, heart, black color, trapezium, blue color, hexagon, yellow color, star, green color, semicircle, red color, oval. Please like my videos and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.